whether for archival purposes or the need to view messages on a larger screen. Mastering the art of transferring messages from iPhone to Mac enhances user convenience and ensures that crucial conversations are securely stored and readily available. Part 1. Transfer messages from iPhone to Mac with iCloud. Step 1. Enable Messages app on Mac. Open Messages. Sign in with Apple ID. Set preferences in Account tab. Add number. Click Add Email. Once activated, view synced messages. Step 2. Sync messages from iPhone to Mac via iCloud. In Mac Messages, enable Messages on iCloud. Click Sync Now. On iPhone, in Settings, your Apple ID iCloud. Turn on Messages. In Settings Messages, select Sync Now. Ensure Wi-Fi for iCloud sync of iPhone messages to Mac. Part 2. Transfer iMessages from iPhone to Mac via iMessage SMS Forward on Mac. Go to the Messages app on your Mac and launch it. Enter our Apple ID and password in the pop-up screen, and then click the button of Sign In. Apply the correct code of the two-factor authentication if you had installed one. On the top menu, you will see the section labeled Messages. After you click on Message, proceed and click on the Preferences. Enter email and phone in the Accounts tab to receive emails and texts. Input preferred email and phone for new conversations. After setup, on iPhone, go to Settings, Messages, Send, and Receive. Choose Use your Apple ID for iMessage option and enter your Apple ID and password. Enter passcodes if you have set the two-factor authentication before. Choose Email. Click Next. On iPhone, in Settings, Messages, Text Message Forwarding, enter the verification code. In the Composer, click Compose, or use Command+N. Enter recipient's name, type message, and hit Return to send. Part 3. Transfer iMessages from iPhone to Mac with iTunes file sharing. Connect iPhone to Mac. Open iTunes. Click iPhone in left sidebar. Go to Apps, scroll to File Sharing, choose Messages under Apps. Select desired conversation. Use iTunes file sharing to transfer iPhone messages to Mac. Part 4. Download messages from iPhone to Mac without iCloud/iTunes. An efficient and swift method for transferring text messages involves utilizing the dependable iOS data transfer software Mobikin Assistant for iOS. How to copy messages from iPhone to Mac using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to Mac. Step 2. Preview and select the messages you need. Step 3. Import iMessages from iPhone to Mac.